Today we are going to study how to convert a number into a decimal number. We are going to study conversion of binary number into decimal number system, octal number into decimal number system, as well as hexadecimal number into a decimal number system. First of all, we'll study binary to decimal conversion. Here, suppose we have a number 1011. We know binary number is consisting of only two digits, that is 1 and 0. So, if this is a binary number indicated by its base 2 and we want to convert this number into decimal number. So, how we will convert this number into decimal number? First of all, we'll take this digit. See, this is 1. 1 into 10 to the power, 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay. Since we are dealing with the binary number, we are taking 2. 2 to the power 0. Plus, then we'll switch to this digit, that is 1 into 2 to the power 0. After 0, we'll take this to be 2 to the power 1. Then we have a digit 0. So 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus this last digit, that is 1 into 2 to the power 3. So you just observe what we are going to do. We are simply multiplying these digits by a number 2 with a increasing power. Here we have 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. So let us do the calculation. So this will be 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8 plus here we are going to multiply this 0. So it means this will be simply 0. Then 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 2 to the power 0 will be always 1. So this digit will be 1. Now simply we are going to add this number. So this comes out to be 11 and this is in the decimal number system. So we can write 1011 binary number is equal to 11. Okay, so this is the way we have to convert a binary number into decimal number system. Now a question arises, if we have a number with a decimal point, then how to work out with that number? So this is the first example. We'll take the another example with decimal point. Okay, so suppose we have 1101 point 01. This is your binary number. Okay, now we have to convert this number into decimal number system. So let us see what we have done in the earlier case. Suppose we have this number. This is very similar way to solve this number. Whatever we have done in the earlier case, very similar. What we have done, we had 1 in we'll multiply this digit by 2 to the power 0, this by 2 to the power 1, this by 2 to the power 2 and this by 2 to the power 3, and then we are simply going to add all these digits. Okay, but now the case is different over here where we have a decimal point. So in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to add those numbers in little bit different way. See, the power will be in negative, that is -1, -2. So let us start with this. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Means there will be 1 into 2 to the power 3, 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Isn't it? Then point will comes over there, and after that 0 into 2 to the power 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, like this we have to do the calculation and we have to find out the answer. So this will comes out to be 8. This will comes out to be 2 2s are 4, then 0, then 1. Okay, here it is point. And what will be this? 2 to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 2, isn't it? 1 by 2, or you can write 0.5, but this is, here we have 0, so the term will be 0 plus. Here 1 into 1 by 4. Okay. Now we'll add these numbers. Okay. So this will be 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. And this point over here, and the number will be how much? It is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is point. This is 0 plus, what will be 1 by 4? It is 0.25. Okay. So it will be simply 0.25. Now this is the number in decimal number system. So we can write 1101.01, which is a decimal number, binary number with a decimal point, and it can be written as 13.025 in decimal number system. So this is all about binary to decimal conversion. Now let us study how we can convert a octal number into a decimal number. I hope it is quite clear to you, so that it would be again easy for you people to convert octal number into decimal number. Okay, we have seen in our earlier video that octal number is consisting of 0 to 7, that is 8 symbols. Okay, so we can write this as 7, 6, 2. Suppose this is the number in an octal system. Okay, so how to write this number into decimal number system, that we are going to study. As we have seen, in case of binary, we have used 2 for binary number. So in octal number system, we are going to use 8 as a weighted number, and this can be written as, we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. This will be 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. So we will write 7 into 8 to the power 2 plus 6 into 8 to the power 1 plus 2 into 8 to the power 0. Okay, and this will be simply simplified or solved like a mathematical solution we need to solve. Very simple. This is 8 square, 8 is 64, 64 into 7 we need to do. And then 8 to the power 1 is simply 8, 8 into 6 we need to do, and plus 2 into 8 to the power 0. Likewise, we have to we need to solve this. Okay, so further, very similar to the binary, what we can do, if suppose we have a number very similar to the binary number, suppose we have a 682.14. This is the octal number, and we need to convert it into decimal number. Similarly, here we can do, we have 3 digits over here, 682. So again it will be 6 into 8 to the power 2 plus 8 into 2 to 8 into 8 to the power 1 plus 2 into 8 to the power 0. Again point will be there, and 1 into 8 to the power minus 1 plus 4 into 8 to the power minus 2. So this is the way to solve a binary number into the decimal number. Okay. Now we'll switch to hexadecimal number. Third type, that is the hexadecimal number. To decimal number. Okay. Very similar to all in all the two cases. What we had done, we had a number. In that number system, as we have here in octal number system, base is 8. Similarly, suppose E42. This is my hexadecimal number. Okay. So I'll write H over here. Okay. And now I want to convert this hexadecimal number into octal number. How can we write this? First of all, I need to convert this E into digit. We know A is 11, B is 12, C is 13, D is 14, and E is 15. So E is 15. We'll write E, that is 15, into 16 to the power 16 to the power 2 plus 4 into 16 to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 0. Okay, and this we need to solve as we used to solve the mathematical problem. Similarly, what we have done in the earlier case, for decimal digits, again what we have to do, we have to add the powers in negatives, that is 16 to the power minus 1, 16 to the power minus 2, like this. Okay, suppose the same number we are having along with some decimal points. So, or we can say A72. So, A72.1, suppose I have. And this is my hexadecimal number system. And now I want to convert it into the decimal number system. Then A is what? 11. Okay. A is 10. Then 16 to the power 2 plus 7 into 16 to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 0.1 into 16 to the power minus 1. And then we need to simplify this. I hope you understood how to convert binary number into decimal number, octal number into decimal number, hexadecimal number into decimal number system, and you can solve this various numbers, and we can convert one number into another number system.